Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best slot car sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Criss Cross Crash Track set. When it comes to challenging of the best slot car sets, this one always on top of the list. The track of this set features great fun and challenges that make the whole racing extra thrilling to play. At the same time, it also helps with the kids' curiosity along with problem-solving skills as well. There are challenging intersections, hairpin turns, motorized boosters, and a huge crash zone. With all of that, there are always surprises and fun that keep your kids entertained for hours to come. It even has cool car feeder that allows for cars line up to get them the cars on track. Since this set is large, it offers racing action and riveting speed for racing the loops and clearing the intersection. Plus, with its sturdy and durable build, its quality is also long-lasting for years as well. This option is very popular among kids out there, and you should check it out too. Moving on at number 4, we have the Furore slot car racing set. With premium digital racetrack system, racing can never be better and exciting. On top of that, it even features the lane changing and tactical passing capability track as well. The whole design of the track allows for thrilling head-to-head race action that you will love. That is not all, the track even features a crossover, straight-aways, curves, and tactical lane changes as well. With all of them, there are always actions and excitement in every race you take. The part that we like the most is the authentic styling and details of the cars. Each racing car looks like the real thing, and that makes them even better to play with. You can expand your race up to hours with a wide selection of challenges. It is a complete slot car racing system that has everything you need in one box. Plus, with the quick setup and high quality, this is one of the best slot car sets to have. At number 3, we have the high-speed control Super Loop slot car set. Here we have another car slot set from Tracer Racers that you might want to check out. This one comes with 2 loops as you can see, and it makes the racing game even more exhilarating. Super Loop Speedway design makes the racing extra fun and challenging for everyone. Just like the previous one, the track of this option also features glow-in-the-dark function as well. As for the racing cars themselves, they come with undercarriage lights also. Set includes 2 track loops along with 4 track corners, and 1 lane changer. You can race both in the day and dark, and the entertainment and fun are simply endless. Not to mention the variable speed remote control that allows racers to control the course with different levels. This set is simply among the best slot car sets to take into consideration. Since it is less than $100, you might want to have this one in mind. At number 2, we have the high-speed slot car set. The unique thing about this slot car set is definitely the track that it comes with. The combination of track loop and 6 track corners along with glow-in-the-dark feature, the track is really cool. With its light, racing in the dark is even better and more exciting for you and your opponents. That is not all. Even the racing cars feature undercarriage lights that make them look like they are hovering. Not to mention that the lights also leave glowing streaks as they race. The fun is endless with it. The awesome thing is that the cars can go to the top speed up to 500 miles per hour. With the long-lasting battery that you can easily recharge, these cars can go for rounds of racing. This slot car set is ideal for both beginner and advanced racers out there. The remote control allows you to manage the car at your preference and level easily. Even its price is lower than most slot car sets out there. Don't forget to have a look. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunset Speedway slot car set. Here you are looking at a revolutionary slot car race set system with amazing quality. The awesome thing about this set is that it allows up to 6 racers, which is extra challenging to race. On top of that, it also enables lane changing as well, which is super cool. The users can wirelessly create and manage the races with a handheld smart devices like smartphones or tablets. Just download the app and connect your device with the Arc power base using Bluetooth, and that's it. Another thing that we like is that the wireless controller will alert you if your car needs to pit. It even has a braking button for more control as well. How cool is that, right? Not to mention the 5 pre-configured acceleration characteristics of the car. This set is simply dope to have. Plus, with the cool tracks with 8 alternative layouts, the fun is all yours. This option is really amazing to have, and you should check it out.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.